Hey babes, welcome back to Signature 60. Today I'm going to be sharing something a little different, but a lot of fun. I spent the day with my grandkids at Chuck E. Cheese today for a play date, and I just want to talk about why these simple moments mean so much. One thing I've learned as I've gotten older is that memories are worth more than things. The toys eventually get forgotten, the clothes wear out, but the times that we spend together is what lasts and what matters most. Today wasn't about doing anything fancy. We weren't on a big vacation or spending a lot of money. We were just, spending time. We spent a few hours laughing, playing games, and just enjoying each other's company. And as a grandparent, we have a unique opportunity. We get to be a source of love, encouragement, with and have some fun. And sometimes it's easy to get caught up in work and responsibilities and daily life. But our grandkids will not stay little forever. So just watching them run from game to game, it just reminded me how important it is to stay present. Children having fun, and they have a way of helping us to just slow down and to appreciate the moment. Um, they're not worried about tomorrow's schedule, next week's problems. They're just focused on having fun right now. And one thing that I can appreciate about being in this season of my life is just having the freedom to create experiences and memories. Whether it's a trip to the park, having some ice cream, family time, family dinner, or just a cute little play date at Chuck E. Cheese. Those moments matter. And I also think it's important for us to just stay active and engaged as we get older. Walking around playing games and laughing and just being involved with our grandkids contribute to our overall wellness. And wellness isn't just about eating healthy and exercising. It's also about relationships and joy and connection and you know, just creating meaningful experiences. Today's outing just reminded me that happiness is often found in the simple things. It doesn't have to be complicated. And sometimes the best days are the ones filled with laughter, a little pizza, and quality time with people that you love the most. So if you're a grandparent watching this, I'd love to know what activities you enjoy most doing with your grandchildren. Leave a comment below and let me know. And if you're new here, welcome to Signature 60, where we talk about lifestyle, wellness, beauty, fashion, real estate, and just living your best life after 50. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. So take care and keep making beautiful memories.